So this engine, I wanted to make something that was as weird and wacky as it potentially could be. So it's got obviously a horizontal flywheel, which I know the very first internal combustion engines had that, but it's not something you would normally see. It's got bevel gear, which was a Meccano gear, soldered to the underneath of the flywheel, obviously driving this bevel gear here, and crank and everything this side, and then a series of other Meccano gears here, obviously gearing it down as it goes down through these, so this shaft runs much slower than the rest of them. So if you've seen my previous video or videos, you'll see that I came up with the idea of using these little decorative ball bearings on the top as a lubricating hole for the shaft that runs through the pillar. This one, let's put a drop in there, that one runs down and comes out of a through hole to lubricate the flywheel. That one lubricates the shaft going through it, as does that one there. A bit of oil on the gears, and a bit of oil obviously to prevent that friction there, a bit in the cylinder. So turns pretty well, this one. Very high rev in this one. It's got a very small cylinder, as you can see, but a relatively heavy flywheel. So this one actually takes a while to build up to speed. You can hear it revving up. But yeah, it seems to run pretty well. I'm quite pleased with that. So let's get some air on it. So I can adjust the speed by just holding my thumb over the end of this waste tube, if you like. So it will run pretty slow. But if I hold my thumb right over the end of this tube, a bit noisy because of the Meccano gears. They're not the best gears in the world. So have a look at my other videos and please subscribe.